Hello guys, this is just me. This is your Misty again. It's been a long time, so I hope this video is worth it. We're actually gonna make a mussel pokey today, and I bought a mussels that's actually frozen, so I steamed that one. So what we're gonna do now, for first thing we're gonna do is to make some sauce. Okay. Let me show you guys. So we have a gochujang over here. If you're back in Philippines, they do have this in a Korean store. You can buy a small one. So our mussel is actually 1.5 pound. So this is about 3 pound right here. So I'm just gonna estimate the sauce, guys. You don't have to put everything, but I'm just gonna estimate it. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of gochujang. About this much, because I want it spicy. Okay. To that, we're gonna add soy sauce, and it's a soy sauce you like. This is a part of a cup of a measuring cup. I'm gonna put a part of a cup right now. And as far as the olive oil, I think I'll do the same, a part of a cup. Or less if you don't like sesame seed oil. Put less sesame seed oil. Okay, it's a very simple recipe. And then we're gonna add some sweet item or sweet ingredients. And I'm going to put apricot. Okay, you can put what is that? I forgot the name of it. This right here, a corn syrup. But if you put the apricot jam, it adds flavor to it. More flavor to your pokey. So that's about 2 tablespoons. You can put less, you can put more. That is up to you. Mix it all together. I forgot we have to put black pepper. Just a little bit. Maybe a teaspoon. If you want it spicy, or put more. Okay guys, continue mixing it until everything actually dissolves. So it's actually look like this. Taste it. Yummy. And also you will put some sesame seed. I'll put a tablespoon right now to mix with the sauce, and you can add later. So the sesame seed, 1 tablespoon. Mix it again. There you go. Set it aside. And this is our mussels that's actually previously frozen, and we steam it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove it from the shell. Okay, this is easy that way. Okay, so let's remove all the mussels from the shells. Oh, by the way, before that, we have a thinly sliced cucumber. We have green onions. We have seaweed, and I have red and white onions. So let's remove all these mussels from the shells, and we'll be right back. Look at guys, this is the only this 3-pound of mussel with the shell in it, and after you remove the shell, really half a pound if that, or a little bit more. It's not much left. I should put like 4 packages. So just like I said, I bought this in a grocery store frozen. They're already pre-boiled, so I just steamed it. So, and also this seaweed, I just soak it in water. Okay, so let's start mixing our poke, guys. Seems like a lot of sauce, so just in case I will remove some, and if we need more, we're gonna add some more. I didn't expect it that less of the mussels after I remove all the shell. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our mussels. Use my bare hand, but there's a liquid at the bottom. So mussels in Tagalog is tahong, so you can actually use this for appetizer, pulutan, and of course eat it with rice. It's delicious. So that's that. Get our mixing spatula. So we start assembling everything. I don't want this one. It's kind of hard utensil. I don't want to break the mussels. It looks good already, guys. So what we're gonna do, that's about 3 tablespoons of green onions. You can put more if you like, or less if you don't like green onions. A handful of seaweed, like I said, adjusted to your liking. The onions, I like it oniony, so like I said, that is up to you. But you don't want to cover the mussels, so you still want to see the mussels. So just enough. And the cucumber. Basically, it's done, guys. Actually, the prep is longer. Prepping all of this, chopping everything. Look at that, guys. How's my lighting? Okay. So let's taste it. Let's get some spoon. Let's get some mussels in there. Cucumber, onion, seaweed. There you go, guys. Good for pulutan, appetizer, or eat it with rice. Let's taste it. That's a mouthful. That is delicious, guys. Mussel Poke, guys. Please try it. Hope you like the recipe. I leave all the ingredients in the description box. I think I'm gonna put all the green onions. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Sorry I don't have a video for a long time, but leave a comment. Please leave a nice comment. Thank you for my new subscribers, my loyal subscribers. Sorry I don't have much video for a long time, but I will do my best. So see you guys next time. Hope you like the recipe. My mussel poke. See you guys. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys.